This is our passion project, is what we call it. We've known each other for many years, and Deb's actually a mentor of mine.
I've been in the industry for a long time. I do consulting for stakeholders and some of the manufacturers in the industry.
I started out as a high-end interior design, and then I have segued into product design.
Well, this will be our 8th VIP tour. The concept is basically bringing new buyers, specifiers, retailers, etc. that have never been to market before.
High Point can be a very daunting and scary thing to a designer who maybe doesn't have a big supportive community. They don't want to go there by themselves. We always say, you don't want to go to the prom without a date. You want to have your entourage or your posse with you. And so we basically provide that for them.
This business is really isolating. Market is a great place to kind of rejuvenate and to have conversations and see people and be social.
Coming to High Point immediately ups your game because you are more informed, you are sort of at the cutting edge of what's happening, you learn from other attendees.
We call it the center of the design universe for 2 weeks a year, because it truly is. I mean, it's like you're right at the source.
Yeah. Come to market, see what it's about.
You have to get here.
It'll be the single most impactful thing you ever do for your business.
Absolutely.
It will transform you not only as a designer and a buyer, but as a business person.